As like every object in the universe, our sun has its own life cycle. It starts from a stellar nebula, which is a mixture of gas and dust, mostly hydrogen and helium. Eventually, due to its own gravity, the core of the nebula starts to heat up. This leads to the formation of a star. This is the stage where our sun at. When the fuel in our sun is finally over, it starts to expand, and this stage is known as the red giant. Then it will be followed by a red supergiant. Approximately, it can happen in 5 billion years from now. Luckily, we won't be able to survive that long. During that phase of our sun, it will consume Mercury, Venus, and even Earth. Now, our red supergiant sun will start to lose most of its outer layer. This leads to collapsing of the core, which will result in an explosion of the star. Then, it remains as only dust and gas clouds called as planetary nebula. After a while, this nebula will turn into a white dwarf. So, it will be a long process for our sun to explode. Let us imagine, hypothetically, if the sun explodes suddenly now. It takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds for light to travel from the sun to the earth, so we would not know that the sun had exploded until 8 minutes and 20 seconds after the explosion occurred. Then, it would burn half of our earth, which is face to the side of our sun, whereas the other part would experience a huge rise in temperature. This would lead us to death. Our earth will lose its orbit around our sun and starts to wander in space. There is a slight chance of getting into the orbit of another star, similar to our sun. If not, then our earth wouldn't have enough heat. It can drop up to -73 degrees. It leads to the freezing of waters on the earth. After a while, our earth would completely freeze. Now the cosmic radiation can enter our earth. There will be no chance of survival at this time. Luckily, all of this does not happen suddenly.